everyone, welcome to Tai Chi class. Let's get flowing. Take a deep breath in and out. Arms float up to the sides and float back down. Breathing in and out. And this time, bend at the elbows, gather in and press down for sinking the chi. Breathing in and out. And now take one foot step out, just about shoulder width, and the arms float up in front and float back down. For open the door. And breathing in and out. And round your arms out like you're giving a big hug. This hand floats up to the chest, and this hand follows underneath and embrace the moon. Toss that moon! Switch your hands and catch it again. Breathing in and out. And round those arms out, feeling like you're giving a big hug. Palms face each other. And this hand will go up, reach up towards heaven. And this hand reach down towards the earth. And bring it back. And switch. Stretch. Get that deep stretch. Breathing in and out. And back to center and give that big hug and sink the chi. And now drift from side to side. And over on the side, bring it in with a pull, take a little step in and push out. In and out. And now cross the wrists, reach down to the bottom, and up, and over that big circle, and cross the wrists again. Princess in the Valley. Breathing in and out. Hands breathing in the pull and the push. And drift across to the other side. Pull it in and push out. And cross the wrist at the bottom and reach up and over. Princess in the Valley. And pull it in, push out, and drift across to the other side, and bring it into the pull, and push out. Cross the wrists at the bottom, Princess in the Valley. And up, and this time, drop. And make that big circle, Princess on the mountaintop. And don't forget to breathe. In and out. In, push out, and drift to the other side. Breathing in and out. Cross the wrists at the bottom, and Princess in the Valley. And drop, Princess on the mountaintop. And pull it in, push out, and drift back to the other side. Princess in the Valley. Princess on the mountaintop. Bring it into the pool. Place the palms together and pierce out, piercing the clouds. breathing in and out. And pull in, push out, and drift back to the other side. Moving up Princess in the Valley. Princess on the mountaintop. Pull in, pierce the clouds. Drift across back to the other side. And that's out to it again. One princess in the valley. One princess on the mountaintop. In. One piercing the clouds. And now, place the palms together but don't touch. Bring it out, up, and over. Back down, around. And right the clouds. In. Push and to the other side. One princess in the valley. One princess on the mountaintop. Pull it in. One pierce the clouds. Palms facing, but don't touch, and ride the clouds. Pull it in. Push out and open to center and sink the chi. Cross the wrists at the bottom, bring them up overhead, and let's close the door. And the arms float back down by the sides. One foot steps in, two palms together, and then move back. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss the next class. And if you would like access to more and longer classes, Find me on Patreon at patreon.com/CoachJo.